Hey guys, Austin from MeasureSquare here, and today I'll be showcasing what you can do with the deal. Once we're inside the deal, we have the most control. We can update our information, send emails, or create tasks over here on the left, as well as delete a project that was made in error. We can see a history of all the changes made throughout its lifetime and who made them. Any emails, notes, or attachments are easily seen by navigating through the menus at the top as well. From here, once we have our location measured and uploaded to MeasureSquare Cloud, we can add that diagram to our deal and start to pull the estimation data from that diagram. We can have multiple diagrams, so when continuing, be sure to always add the following order forms from the diagram screen. That way, we're able to pull from all our collected data. As we continue to add to our deal, be sure to update the stage. We can manage this from the drop-down menu when inside the deal where the timeline is displayed, and we can be sure we're making the proper adjustments. Or we can click and drag the deal to any stage from the Sales Project screen. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I'll see you here in our next video for how to create a quote.